Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. I know it's been a hot minute since I uploaded a video on YouTube. It's been so long and it feels really good but weird at the same time, like recording another video. So you guys probably know the whole reason why. I think not only myself but a lot of creators, influencers, whatever you want to call them, we're kind of like MIA because of everything happening. And I didn't want to, it just felt really uncomfortable. Like, hey, I'm here with my fashion beauty related content when everything else was going on in the world, and I felt like that deserved all of the attention. So I was a little, So I decided to take a step back until it felt right to put out content again. I do have to say I really missed it though, because I really missed it. And I also filmed this glam for IG. And don't get mad, but I have to show IG some love as well, okay? I'm excited to be back with my bolder looks on YouTube. So today's video is going to be a little bit more of something else, a little bit more in the feminine category. And I'm talking about lingerie. Lingerie. So this video is in collaboration with Loungewear. I'm not sure why I'm showing you guys the cap of the box, but this video is in collaboration with Loungewear. They have very comfortable loungewear clothing. I actually posted a picture on Instagram, and if you haven't liked that one, I'll give you a second. It was really comfortable, and I have to say, and I'm a little ashamed to admit it, but I'm going to turn 29 in September this year, and I was just checking my drawer with my lingerie, and I was like, wow, I became that basic birch. Everything was so basic, comfortable, and practical. Nothing about the lingerie, like nothing. When I'm 35, 40, no, not even then. I'm not even going there. So we are going to unbox some things, and I chose these myself, but at the same time I can't remember what I chose. So it's going to be a surprise for me as well. Some things I'm going to be trying on, some things I'm not. You guys know what I'm not going to try on, right? First we have, oh, I love this one. So first we have this bra. You guys can see that. I love the fact that it's kind of like sporty but like sexy at the same time. To be fair, I'm so over push-up bras or like padded bras. I just feel like they just don't feel very comfortable anymore. And I also feel like I'm at that age where I'm super comfortable with my size. I don't have a very voluminous décolletage, but I'm 100% okay with that. And I actually love it. I'm not sure if you pronounce it like that, but this is, I think, a balconette bra. This is the first bra that we have. It's see-through, it's sporty, and it's sexy at the same time. I would wear this when I don't want to like feel my bra and when I don't want to feel the pads, if you know what I mean. So yeah, this is just going to be a nice one, especially for like summer tops. If you don't want to give your nipples attention, obviously you can just wear like a nipple sticker and then just put on something like this. I was actually really into lingerie when I was younger, and I don't know what happened. I love the fact that this makes everything look sporty and also very comfortable, very stretchy. And the lace obviously makes everything more exciting. Just to remind you, this is the bra, okay, together with the thong. So this is a crop top, and it's actually very stretchy. And I love this one because you can just wear this underneath your blazer with the leggings that I actually wore on Instagram, with joggings, and it's just cool. I think I'm just going to try this on in a second. Then we have some loungewear. This is, I know that this is going to be so comfortable already. So this is a high-waisted jogger, but not like a jogger that you are used to. It's kind of like flared. And I love that because that way, you still look put together, but you can still like run errands, and you don't have to change. Not that you can't do it with like joggings, but it just looks a little bit more, I don't know, like put together. This is the first set. I'm not wearing a bra whatsoever. I love this top. 100% going to wear this top, not only as a loungewear, but like a normal top. The trousers are a little bit too small. I think this is a size medium. See a little bit of a food tummy, but that right there. So I think I would go for a large. These are extremely comfortable. The top is really comfortable as well. But as I said, I would just go for a bigger size. If you want to wear it like very tight, then you can just like, it's true to size. But you know, I gained a little bit of weight during this quarantine, so I would just go for large. I think we have a set right here. Yes, the black one. We also have, ooh, look at this color. This color is going to look good on me, okay, even if I say it myself. We have a set right here. So this is the thong, and I love the fact that it's long. I was actually going to shop for some new lingerie, but everything was kind of like this. So it was too short, and I was like, this is just going to make my hip dips even worse, and you're just going to have this weird figure. And not all of you, but if you have, you know, a little bit more fat on the sides of your body, I feel like this is just going to cut your hip dip even more, and you just don't want that. But I actually love this set right here. Wow, this color is so nice. I love it. My drawer needed a transformation. Then we have this one. Again, it's high, it's stretchy, and I love the fact that this is quite thick instead of like these thin. You know, actually, this looks more like what my drawer looks right now. I have a lot of similar thongs, and this is just what I mean with practical. You just want to feel comfortable, and you just don't want to be like, you know. If there wasn't any copyright, I would insert, you know that it's magic for you. I see nobody but you. Oh, I love this one. Ooh, I actually really like this. So it's sporty, but triangle at the same time. Okay, this is just going to save me a lot of uncomfortable moments, because you guys all know. You guys probably agree with me on this, but I never wear bras at home, only when I'm filming. But sometimes like I have to run errands like really quick, or I receive some packages, and then it's just always a little uncomfortable because I know it's a little see-through. So then I have to put on a vest before I open the door, or I need to take out the trash or the plastic or whatever. And then I always feel like everyone's like kind of like watching, but no one is actually watching. But you just feel a little, you know, uncomfortable. Later that day, I sometimes do end up wearing a bra. It's annoying. So I think something like this, you know, because there is no clip in the back. Okay, so it's pure elastic and very stretchy, and this is going to be my Sunday bra. Isn't it stupid that we feel uncomfortable just because we have some titties that we got from Mother Nature? This is going to be my everyday bra probably. Who am I kidding? Who am I lying to? You know I love like magic on you. This is a really nice one as well. Again, there's no thing on the back that you need to like, I don't know what it's called. I know it's a detail, but everything comes nice in a box. And I felt, at first I was like, ooh, this looks expensive. This lingerie looks expensive, but it was actually pretty affordable. And I was like, because lingerie can be, wow, that can be so expensive. I know I was scrolling through Instagram. I can't remember I think it was a French brand. And I think like one bra that I really liked was 200 euros. One bra. Hell no. I'm gonna keep it practical. I'm gonna keep it sporty. I'm gonna keep it comfy, you know. This is another one and another one. So this is sexy, but at the same time, it's practical and comfortable and soft as well. I love the little see-through right here. I love this color. Like, did I order all of these colors myself? Because I love it. Okay, so it's half see-through, as you can see. And if this is, I think I have everything in size medium. Everything you see right now is size medium, but this is really nice and long as well. So if you have a little tummy like I have, then you can just put this part right over your tummy, and that is just going to do wonders for your body. Like, that is also the reason why I never wear lower thongs, because that is just going to make my tummy even worse. Like, you just need to pull it like a corset. You just need to pull it on top of your tummy. So this is a little see-through as well. I'm really into green lately. This looks beautiful. I know that your under boob is going to show right here, and then your nipple is just covered. The material feels really nice and soft, sporty, but at the same time it's like, I'm everyone, it's all in me. Ooh, this color looks really nice. This is going to be probably my favorite set because I love this color. Beige, beautiful beige. It's exactly the same set as the gray one. But imagine like having a tan and then wearing this set. No one, or maybe like your partner or whatever, is going to see it. But like the thing is, you are going to see it and you have to feel comfortable in your skin. If you feel comfortable enough, you can just wear a bra and then you can just put a blazer on top and you're good to go. Loungewear became new clothing, so there's no difference in pajamas, loungewear, and actual clothing or high fashion. And then we have, yeah, I know what this is because I chose these. This is the Lounge sweater, and I know it's a detail, but I actually love that it's written like this instead of like horizontally. Yeah, just a big, very soft, comfortable sweater. I'm excited to wear this for like summer evenings when it's a little bit cold, but not too much, and you're just wearing some sneakers or slippers, and then just something like this, and maybe with shorts or maybe with a trouser. And we have the trousers. See the band? See the band? That is going to give you a flat waist, flat tummy, no love handles, no hip dips, and I love that. You can already see because of the shape that it's kind of like apple bottom jeans, boots with the, I'm just gonna stop right now. Really love this sweater. It feels really nice, really good. Don't you guys think this just looks like, you know, I love it. I actually really love it. That is basically it for this unboxing. I am really happy with these goodies. I'm just going to throw away a lot of old ugly items. I feel so sorry for my husband. But in with the new, out with the old, you know. I'm also happy to be back. I'm also happy to create content again. Again, as I said, like lingerie is not really something that you like, you rather buy just clothing, right? Because everyone's seeing it and it's just something that's, you know, visible and no one's really going to see your underwear. But please don't forget that part as well, because, you know, it's about confidence and self-love. It took me a while to gain a little bit more like feminine energy back. That is what this is about, feminine energy. Anyways, I talked too much again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did. Thumbs up if you did. Thumbs down if you didn't. You guys can follow me on Instagram as well. It's Dilan Sabah. This tutorial, if you guys like it, is going to be up there soon. I will link the website down below so you guys can check out the goodies. And that is basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next one.